Welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. In this video, we learn about periodic function and some properties of periodic function. A function f of x is said to be periodic function with period t greater than 0 if it satisfies the condition f of x plus t is equals to f of x for all real values of x. That is the condition. A function is said to be periodic function if it satisfies the condition f of t plus x is equals to f of x for all values of x, for all real values of x, for all x belongs to capital R. Then this t is known as period of the function and f of x is known as periodic function. In other words, if the value of each ordinate f of x repeats itself at equal intervals. The value of each ordinate of f of x repeats itself at equal intervals, then f of x is said to be a periodic function. That is, f of x is equals to f of x plus t is equals to f of x plus 2t is equals to f of x plus 3t is equals to, and so on up to infinity, where t is called period of the function f of x. Let us see one simple example. We know that the trigonometric function sin x. We know that the trigonometric function sin x. It is a periodic function with period 2 pi. It is a periodic function with period 2 pi. You observe that sin x is equals to sin of x plus 2 pi, sin of x plus 4 pi, sin of x plus 6 pi, and so on. And also you remember that in the definition, capital T is the least of such values. Here also you observe that this condition sin x is equals to sin of x plus 2 pi is equals to sin of x plus 4 pi, and so on. This condition does not hold for any value less than 2 pi. For any value less than 2 pi. For any positive value less than 2 pi. That's it. That's why this t is equals to 2 pi is known as period of the function sin x. Let us see the graph of y is equals to sin x. Now you observe that in between the interval 0 to 2 pi, in between the 0 to interval 2 pi, the graph of y is equals to sin x is same. From 0 to 2 pi it repeats. Again, from 2 pi to 4 pi also it is in the same manner. It is in the same manner. You observe that. And also remember that cos x is also periodic function with period 2 pi. Cos x is also periodic function with period 2 pi. Tan x is a periodic function with pi. The period of tan x is pi. And remember that sin 3x. Suppose we assume that sin 3x. So the period of sin 3x is, so this is in the form of sin of 2 pi plus 3x. Sin of 2 pi plus 3x. By making 3 common, you get sin of 3 into 2 pi by 3 plus x. Therefore, the period is 2 pi by 3. Therefore, the period is 2 pi by 3. In other words, sin of ax period is p by mod a. P by mod a. Here, p represents the period of sin x, which is equals to 2 pi. And what is a here, which is equals to 2 pi? What is a here? X coefficient 2 pi by 3. That's it. So let us see the properties. Let us see the properties of periodic function. If capital T is a period of the function f of x, then small n into t is also a period for any integer n. If t is the period of the function f of x, then small n into t is also a period of the function f for any integer n. If it means if t is the period, then 2t is a period, 3t is a period, 4t is a period, and so on. If capital T is a period of f of x and g of x, t is a period of f of x and g of x, then the function h of x is equals to a into f of x plus b into g of x has the same period t where a comma b are constants. Suppose t is the period of f of x and g of x, then t is the period of a into f of x plus b into g of x also. And also remember that if f of x is a periodic function with period t, then f of ax is also a periodic function with period t by a. Here we use the same condition in case of sin 3x. I said the same thing, p by mod a. P by mod a, where p is the period of sin x and a is equals to x coefficient. That's why we get 2 pi by 3. So remember this property. F of x is periodic function of period t. Then f of ax with a not equals to 0 is also a periodic function with period t by a. And the period of sum of number of periodic functions. The period of the sum of the number of periodic functions is nothing but LCM of the periods. And also the constant function is periodic for any positive t. The constant function is also a periodic function with any constant with any positive capital T.